So how can you add the iPhone to the iPad Find My app? So let me show you how it would work. Let's get started. If you are first time in here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so the iPad and iPhone can be connected in various different ways, but at first it would make sense to check out if you are using the very same Apple ID, right? So when you go to your settings at the top of the list, you can see the Apple account, which is currently being used on those devices, and you want to make sure it is the same one so you can connect them without an issue. Then you can open up the Find My, and obviously if it works on your iPad, then we can only set it up on the iPhone and essentially make sure that all of the things on the phone are turned on. So you would go to your settings, tap on profile, and click the Find My, and make sure that the feature is turned on, that the network is enabled, and perhaps even sending last location. Depends on what you need, but that is also supposed to be enabled for the other devices to keep track of, this current iPhone. So that is how you would be able to do this. Then perhaps give it a time, give it a minute, and then it should appear on the iPad screen as well. You should be able to see the other devices of yours, like this iPhone, for example. So let me know in the comments below if it worked. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.